Welcome back, Hustle Tribe!
So, today's topic is bank versus broker. I did touch on this before, but now I'm going to go more in depth and explain it. We actually got a question from one of our YouTube subscribers, aka our Hustle Tribe subscriber. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe because we do look at the YouTube comments and we actually answer them. And if it's really good, we do a video. So this one was really good. So Michelle's going to read it out now. Cue Michelle.
Okay, I'm going to pass my exam this Saturday.
Wait. He said he's going to pass.
Yes, he did.
I love that. That's self-fulfilling prophecy.
Mm-hmm.
And that means, you think he did it?
I think he did it. He speak it into existence, you know?
All right, so swift with it. If you did, put something in the comment section. You guys, Hustle Tribe, give him a congratulations because we're going to say that he passed. Woo! Another broker.
So, I'm going to pass my exam this Saturday and my lease is up in February. I plan on moving into my own apartment. Should I work for a bank since I would need stable income? Because I hear brokerages are better, but usually all commission. And then I also hear that some brokerages pay on a draw.
Okay. So multiple questions in that one question. So this is like a three-part topic. So the first thing we're going to talk about is bank versus broker, right? Oh, Sally, dang, Michelle did that board. Can we give a round of applause to how nice the board was written?
Thank
and everything
you.
that I was thinking about talking about, you kind of put it there.
Thank you.
So yes, with the bank, you're guaranteed income. So you're going to start with a salary and then maybe a commission. So if you want stability, which is right here, well, stables here, definitely you're looking more at the bank. Now, with the broker, you do have the chance of making a lot more due to the upside. Now, if you watch my last video, I talked about, depends on what do you bring to the brokers if you're a new MLO looking to get hired. So if you know yourself, you're a good salesperson, you know you have a good social media, you know you have clients or family members that will give you business like that, then it might make sense for you to look at a broker because you know you have deals coming in. But if you're looking for the stability and you're like, Malcolm, I'm not really a salesperson. Malcolm, this is new to me. I've never done sales before. I'm not good at selling. I don't know that many people. Then definitely with having a new apartment, you're going to have a lease, which says you have to pay this money at a certain time. It's not like, hey, I'm going to pay you next week. My money was slow. I didn't close any deals. If you're a broker, you only get paid when you, I was about to say kill, but once you get a sale closed. But in the sales mentality, you're a lion and you have to go out there and hunt every day. And hunting is sales. Hunting is you gathering, or matter of fact, yeah, I don't, for my vegetarians out there, I don't want to scare you away from watching my videos. You have to plant seeds every day. You have to plant the seeds. You have to water it. You have to make sure the sun is there. You have to cultivate your garden. And if that's not you, then the bank is a much safer route. You're still going to have to do this because once the bank realizes, hey, he's not bringing any deals, or you're not able to close them.
Once the bank realizes?
Yeah, because you remember.
Are you still supposed to bring in deals to the bank?
You don't have to bring in deals. You get a better commission. But if the bank is giving you leads and you don't know how to cultivate those leads into getting sales, they're going to still look at you like, we're giving this guy leads and he's not converting them. Because just because you have the leads don't mean they're going to be customers.
That's true. That's true.
So you do have to understand they give you a higher footing because you'll get some of those people that are like, yeah, I want to do a refi, my credit score, boom, 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 I'm ready to go. But you'll have someone say, yeah, I'm thinking about it. I'm going to be ready in 6 months. I'm going to be ready in 3 months. So you have to still cultivate those leads.
Follow up and things like that.
Exactly. You have to have a good follow up. You have to have a good system. This is what I'm trying to teach you guys. Now the difference is as a broker, you have no leads. You have to find everything on yourself. Hence why they give you more money. The banking side, they're giving you less because they're providing the leads for you. Doesn't mean you're going to be successful, but it guarantees you a better footing if it's not something that you're used to. Now, for me, I love being a broker because I don't mind hunting because I know how to hunt. I know how to fish. As they say, if you teach a man how to fish, he can eat forever. If you feed him a fish, he can only eat for once or that time.
Something like that.
I switched it up, but you guys get my point. And that's why I do these videos because I want you guys to be able to fish on your own. I don't want you to need a bank or even some brokers give you leads too. Of course, they charge you for it, but I want you guys to know how to fish for yourself. So if you're looking for a steady income, you're definitely looking more at the banking side. Now, the good thing is with being a broker, we actually don't have 1099s. Well, at least from my companies that I've been at. So far, I've been at 3 different companies, and they've all been W-2, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, you're not salary unless you're at a bank.
Well,
this is my left hand, so if it looks horrible, it's because I'm right-handed, and I'm trying to draw on my left hand. So, because Jashelle placed the board on the wrong side.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, what were you saying now?
Anywho, so I have heard that at some brokerages, depending on what arrangement you make with the broker, you can be W-2 and be paid on a weekly, bi-weekly, whatever, but you won't be just a loan officer. You'll go in as an assistant or, you know, something of the sort. So you're getting...
That's what's considered a junior loan officer or a loan officer assistant. And they do have that. That's a good point. I didn't bring that up. You can go into some brokerages where they will give you a basic salary and you'll learn how to do it. Not all brokerages offer that, but still they have to see something in you to even offer that to you. But it's usually for a business that's growing and they need loan officers, junior loan officers to take care of leads because the loan officer, the general loan officer, is doing so many deals, has so many clients, he can't do all the minute stuff himself. So he'll say, hey, I'll give you a salary, I'll teach you when I can, you can shadow me, and I'll guarantee you a certain income. And I'll pay you W-2, or they could do 1099. So that was a good point. Thank you, Jashelle.
Thank you.
Now you mentioned drawers. So drawers are pretty much saying that, hey, on average, you close 1 deal a month or maybe 2 deals a month. I'll give it to you weekly payments for the basic salary. So for example, basic salary, the basic loan amount. So for example, if you close $4,000 worth of loans every month, I'll give you $1,000 a month, $1,000 a week to equate to the $4,000. So when you close that loan,
it gets paid back.
It gets paid back. And if you close it early, you still get the $1,000 and the rest of the money goes to the side for you when you're able to close it.
The only thing with drawers though is that more than likely they're going to want to make sure you have that experience first, because if you don't have something to base it off of, how are they going to know what they're supposed to pay you?
Exactly, 100%. Another downside of drawers is if you don't close for a while. Say they say, okay, you know what, you're new, we'll give you a simple draw, $1,000, right? So that's $250 a week. But if you don't close anything for 6 months, now you're already behind $6,000. So when you do get your big check, you're thinking like, hey, I finally closed that money, a big check. No, you're in negative money. They're taking their money back. And I don't know if all companies do that, but who knows if they're going to charge you interest on it. I don't know. I've never done draws, but it's a possibility. So you have to be careful. So to answer your question, if you're new and you don't have a lot of clients or don't have experience in sales, definitely go more for the banking side. But if you have any kind of experience in sales, you trust yourself, you've been watching my videos and you're ready to learn, then look at a broker. But also, you're taking a step in a new business, a new venture. Make sure you have some savings because you're going into an apartment. You're going to have to pay this money on the first of the month. Make sure you have some kind of savings and you're not afraid to invest in yourself. If that's you and you want some more one-on-one coaching, just click the link in my bio. Schedule a one-on-one call with me. I'm even doing mentorship. So I'm going to open up mentorship classes or coaching calls, whatever you want to call it. Because a mentor does it for free. A coach does it for a fee. Remember that.
Oh, I like that. Yeah. I'm doing coaching calls too, guys.
For insurance, right?
Yeah, that too.
I just want the fee. So if you didn't know, now you know. If you have any other questions, please put in the comment section. This is the real Mr. Marcelle, aka your favorite loan officer, with just Jashelle, aka Mrs. Insurance. Over and out.